When your project is ready, we will send you an email. Open the email and you should have something that looks like this. The message normally has two links. One that says click here to download your video, and another one below that says click here for a video tutorial. Let's click on download your video, which will launch your browser and take you to a Dropbox website. This is what the process looks like with Internet Explorer. In a minute, I will show you what it looks like with Chrome because it is slightly different. Once your browser opens, your screen should look something like this, except with a different video preview image. To download the video, click here on this download button here at the top right, which causes this download window to open down at the bottom of the screen. Come down here and click on the arrow next to the Save button, and click on the Save As button that opened, which opens this window. You can now navigate to any folder you want. And I want to download to this folder called Downloads. Note the file name right here because we will look for it again in just a minute. Now click Save, and you can see down below that the file is now downloading to the folder you selected. It's almost done. And done. Now move over here and click on Open Folder, which opens the folder where the file was downloaded to. And here's the file right here. And if I double click on it, it should play. And it does. Now let's take a look at how the download works with Chrome. When your email link takes you to Chrome, your screen is slightly different here at the top right. Click on this little button right here, and now click on Download, which automatically starts the file downloading to your computer, as you can see down here at the bottom of the screen. Okay, it's now done downloading. You can now click on this arrow box next to the file name and select Show in Folder, which will show the file in the folder it was downloaded into. And here's the file right here. You can now copy the video file to any folder you choose. It is also important to back up your video file, although we retain a copy for 6 months, and it is possible to request another copy if you inadvertently erase it. After 6 months, Fly2High purges files and they are no longer available. I hope that helps clear up any questions you have on how to download your video project.